What is your love language?
Ano, physical touch. Touch talaga mas nangingibabaw sa akin.
Ay. Alam
Wala
na.
hawak ako eh.
Alam
Malambing-
na.
ano kasi ako,
Malambing saan? Malambing saan?
Malambing.
Hi, Jemai.
Yo.
What is your love language?
Love language?
Yeah.
Physical touch. Act of service. Ay, ano ba? Basta lahat.
Ay,
I can
lahat.
serve you everything you need, Kirsten.
Hi, Benjo. What is your love language, ha?
Love language ko, quality time tsaka physical abuse. Sorry, physical touch. Physical
Uy,
touch.
grabe yan. Hi, Anya. What is your love language?
Love.
Lahat. Pero pinaka-main, ano? Lahat tayo dito physical touch, ha? Ayan na. Napaghahalataan kayo.
Walang gagawin.
Ay, wala.
Yung sweet na. Kasi alam mo yung mga gesture.
Yes. Hi, what is your love language?
Love language?
Yes.
Physical touch.
Ikaw?
Me too, physical touch.
Lo, napaghahalataan kayo, ha? Puro physical touch.
Bakit? Ikaw ba?
Physical touch din. Huy! Hi, Dance! What is your love language?
Pwede ba yung lima lahat?
Isa nga lang dapat.
Physical. Kahit tayo ng tilapia, guys.
Hi, Kuya Red. What is your... Yeah. What is your love language?
Love language.
Yes.
Love language.
Yeah.
Physical attack. Miss ko na yon, physical attack.
Anong klaseng physical attack?
Basta physical attack, ay nakakaalam na niyan.
Hi, Marty. What is your love language?
Physical touch.
Physical touch. Alam na. Hi, Sol. What is your love language?
My main love language is receiving and giving gifts. And then after that,
One only. One only.
Okay, quality time.
Quality time. Hi, Gay. What is your love language?
Ay! Love language ko, physical touch. Ay!
Ay! Oh. Uy! Hindi ganon. Hi, Kuya Rai. What is your love language?
Hello. Love language ko, act of service. Kasi pag feeling ko, pinagsisilbihan ako, parang, mahal.
Ano ka, prinsipe? Kimi! Hi, what is your love language?
Love language, siguro effort.
Hi, Bandog. What is your love language?
Lahat.
Lahat. Isa nga lang
Isa lang.
dapat. Isa lang.
Hindi ba dalawa?
Pinaka-main na yun. What? Ah? Hi, what is your love language? Lahat. Isa lang dapat. Isa lang. Physical touch. Ay, alam na din.